Let's look at this solved problem. So we would like to simplify this expression, which is a division of two rational expressions. So here we just copy the original expression and we change the division to a multiplication by flipping the second rational expression. So the first one we keep the same, the second one we flip it and we multiply the two expressions. Okay, so how do we multiply two rational expressions? We have to factor each numerator and denominator. So 5x squared minus 15x, they have 5x as the greatest common factor. So when we factor out 5x, we have x minus 3. So the first denominator, this is a trinomial which has the first coefficient 1. So simply we find the factors of negative 12, which are 6 and negative 2, and they add up to 4. So it can be factored as x plus 6, x minus 2. The second numerator is x squared minus 4, which is the difference of squares. So we can use the difference of squares formula to factor it as x plus 2 times x minus 2. And the last denominator, the second denominator, it has no greatest common factor. It is not a difference of squares or difference of cubes. So this is a prime polynomial. So we just leave it like that. Now we look at the common factors. So x minus 3 and x minus 3 are common in the denominator, one in the numerator, one in the denominator. We have x minus 2 here in the denominator and another one in the numerator, so they cancel out with each other. So we are left with 5x and x plus 2 in the numerator, so we multiply them and put them in the numerator. We only have x plus 6 in the denominator, and we write that down in the denominator. So this is the final result. We don't have to multiply the two expressions in the numerator. We just leave it like that.